Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 5th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Get Up Day. Waking Up is Hard to Do by Neil Sedaka, illustrated by Daniel Miares. You slept all night. Now it's morning time. That's the time to rise and shine. Don't you cry, and don't be blue. Waking up is hard to do. Just brush your teeth and then get dressed. When you comb your hair, you'll look the best. Now you know it's really true. Waking up is hard to do. They say that waking up is hard to do. Wear a smile, don't you be blue. Just wipe the sleep from your eyes. Instead of going back to bed, you've got to stretch and face the day. Just listen to the birdies sing and the flowers that await the spring. Rise and shine, your dreaming's through. Waking up is hard to do. They say that waking up is hard to do. Wear a smile, don't you be blue. Just wipe the sleep from your eyes. Instead of going back to bed, you've got to stretch and face the day. Just listen to the birdies sing and the flowers that await the spring. Rise and shine, your dreaming's through. Waking up is hard to do. Down dooby doo down down, comma comma down dooby doo down down, comma comma down dooby doo down down, comma comma down dooby doo down down, comma comma. The end. We're going to make a paper bag alligator, and what you'll need is your craft to go kit, which includes an alligator template and a paper bag. Put this aside. And then you'll need either crayons, markers, or coloring pencils. I have crayons and a glue stick or glue. Now the first thing you're going to do is color the alligator. And I'm going to make mine green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make his eyelids and his eyelashes, or not his eyelashes, his eyebrows a lighter green. And I'm going to make the face, the head, a darker green. So I'm going to go ahead and just start coloring this. Get their little eye. Get the other little eye. And I'm going to make his eyes yellow. Alligators, in my mind, have yellow eyes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and color this whole thing. And then I'll just come back and show you what to do next. Okay, my alligator is pretty well covered in here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it on the dotted lines. So for the face, we're going to fold it up as close to the dotted line as you can. You want it to stand up. Hold on. So it'll set up like that. And then we're gonna fold the teeth all down. So you can do those one by one. I'm doing them two by two, I guess. But we'll fold those down on the dotted lines. They're very pointy. So this is how it'll look. See how the teeth are down. Then we just need to glue the head part to the paper bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put glue all over the paper bag part up here, the flap. I don't want it on the actual bag part, just the bottom where the flap is. These are really thick brown paper bags. I don't know where I got them from. They're pretty sturdy. So center that on there. Glue it down. Press it. And what you're gonna do, stick your hand in. Can't get a good view on this, sorry guys. This is where it would help to have a partner to tape with me. This is what he looks like. If you want, you could color the paper bag green. I'm not gonna deal with that. I think mine's good like this. All right, and that's all there is to it.